This video is recommended to Android Virtual Studio. Layouts is not showing means that time simply there is 2 points, like two steps is there. Step number 1, select on empty view. Just select the second option also, and there is two options is there, two languages, Java or you can select what you preferred and finish. It will be loaded in down of the will be visible, and same time down also there. And second, you can select menu. After take a new project, new, and after here also there empty of third or sixth option. Select next, and same procedure also same here also. What your requirement you can select. In previous I selected different, this one is different. Select finish. There is two options. In case that one is not working, you can try this one. This one is not working, try that one. There is different models only. Whatever requirement you can continue on that.